Introduction to Learning Go.
Go, often known as Golang, is a popular programming language designed for simplicity and high performance. If you're new to Go, choosing the right learning resources can make your journey smoother. In this video, we will highlight the most effective guides, tutorials, and platforms specifically designed for beginners eager to master Go.
Official Go documentation and tour.
The Go official website offers a well-structured starting point for beginners. The Tour of Go provides interactive exercises, concise explanations, and live code samples. This is ideal for grasping Go's syntax and essential concepts through hands-on practice, making it a foundational resource for new learners.
Beginner-friendly books and eBooks.
Several popular books cater to those starting with Go. The Go Programming Language by Alan Donovan and Brian Kernighan is highly recommended for its accessible lessons. Another great option is Go in Action, offering practical examples. These resources break down Go concepts, helping beginners build both confidence and skills.
Interactive online platforms.
Platforms like Exercism, Codecademy, and Udemy feature beginner-friendly Go courses. They offer step-by-step challenges, real project examples, and instant feedback. These sites help reinforce learning through practice and community support, which is especially valuable as you start coding in Go.
Supportive Go communities and forums.
Go's active online communities, including forums, Reddit threads, and Stack Overflow, are excellent for beginners seeking help. Participating in these spaces allows you to ask questions, get guidance from experienced developers, and share your progress. This supportive environment makes learning Go more enjoyable and collaborative.
Building your Go skills.
Combining official guides, books, online courses, and community interaction creates a strong foundation in Go. Remember to practice by building small projects and experimenting with code. With these effective resources, beginners can confidently progress from the basics to real-world applications in Go programming.